What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. To the new people, thank you for joining and everything, and for the old subscribers, hey, I finally made it back. Lots been going on, but anyway, this video here, I forgot to do an intro for it. It's going to be on this CRV, okay? You can see the changes, how I got it and where it's at today now, and in that you can expect a little bit of testing going off-road, seeing how well it performs. But yeah, there will be a video on this, so there'll be more to come. Anyway, enjoy. Peace. Why am I saying peace? Enjoy it. All right, so I'm over here at the shop. I bought a $500 CRV. It does run and drive. This is how it looks currently. Of course, I took it off road as soon as I got it. Literally, as I brought it back, I started driving it. Took it off road, but you got a chalkboard hood here. As you can see, there's doodles on it. Some more artwork with stickers of some sort. The inside was pretty nasty. The rug is hiding it, and I kind of started vacuuming. But give you an idea how grody it is. Yeah, it's nasty. Take off this floor mat, give you a better idea how grody it is. I kind of cleaned out some of this stuff already. The bulk of it is mostly in the back. Here's more stuff and junk. You can see the interior in the back, or maybe some other stuff. I said it was way worse, but this is it. It does run and drive. I'll go over some of the issues afterwards, but for the time being, we're going to focus on getting this thing cleaned up real quick and see what we're working with. I got the seats out. Carpet's still disgusting. Some gook. I don't know what that was. It looked like jam or something. I cleaned up most of that, but I'm just taking this carpet out, and I'm gonna have to clean it outside the car because it's just gross. And now the seats are out. It's really cooking. It has a really funky, weird smell that I just can't vibe with. So it's coming out, and I'm gonna do it the right way. Gross. Yeah, that is the driver front side right there. You can just kind of see the carpet looking a little bit better. Holy crap. That's going to take a few tries of this, so let me go back to doing that and I'll update you. Okay, so got the carpet back in, pressure washed it. First it started off with the hose, you already seen it. Wasn't quite enough, it kind of stunk still. Took it to the car wash, and yeah. Here's the results. Feels nice and plush again. Got the rear seats cleaned up. Come together pretty well. Yeah, so I'm just slapping everything back in there. Oh yeah, got the dash cleaned up, the grime off the steering wheel. May go back over it again. I just used some LAs. Totally awesome to get from Dollar Tree or Dollar General. This stuff is amazing, but this is what we're working with right now. Let me step back a little bit, give you a better idea. But heck yeah, it's coming together. It doesn't stink anymore. All right, here it is, all cleaned up. Seats are back in. Dash all cleaned up. The seats could use like an actual steam cleaning, but I don't have one of those right now. So I will revisit those, but here it is. Look at that. Like night and day. Clean, rear seats. Pretty clean. Same thing though, may need to do like a steam cleaning on that side over there on the passenger side, but oops, take a step back over here. Oh yeah, let's peep that. Center console. Remember how nasty that was? Not anymore. All right, so I bought this $500 CRV. Someone else went to look at it, didn't want to buy it because it had oil leaks. As you see, oil everywhere. I was like, oh, maybe it's coming from a drain plug. I sealed up everything else and it's still leaking. So I was like, it has to be the oil filter. I look and watch. I don't know if you can look. Okay, where is it? Look at this. Maybe you can touch it. See it, watch. You see that? It's just freaking loose. Okay, so I replaced a fender here yesterday. Might have been the day before yesterday. And I discovered that not all green CRVs are the same. This one here, what I have is Clover Green metallic, and I can't exactly remember the other one here, but this is from a 97 and 98. So 99 to 2001 is a different color. So I got me some Duplicolour paint. Thankfully, chick had some left over, but it was not enough. So I am currently painting it, and we're going to see how it turns out, because you know what? I wasted 30 bucks on this fender that I got on the CRV, but it looks a little better. But I figured might as well just give this a shot and see how it turns out. Couldn't hurt anything. All right, so I just jumped ahead and finished painting the fender. It's not perfect, you know, but at least it's better than what it was. This is the same fender that you saw at the beginning that was, primered and all that jazz. You can kind of see their body work underneath there. I didn't do enough sanding, but it is what it is. I can always revisit this later. It's just at the time, I did not want to have a different color body panel on it. More than likely it would kind of get scratched up anyway, but I'm pretty happy with the results. So if we step back, you can't even tell. Yeah, it's coming together. All right, so today we're going to go test out the all-wheel drive and see what this stock CRV is capable of. I've got the transmission fluid change, oil change, diff fluids changed, so all that's been serviced. Seems pretty solid. I worked on the trans solenoids a little bit. I'm just going to order some new ones and see if I can make them a little bit better. The shifting, but I'm not having too many issues. I just want it just better. I want to prolong it because I know it's a problem with these. We're going to go meet up with Babs, Honda Resource. You may know him on YouTube. And I got Ryan back there behind me, and his CRV, the silver one you've probably seen in the videos, or this video at some point. But yeah, so let's see what happens. All right, we're cruising out here to the Cahaba, currently rolling 3 deep. Got Babs up front, Ryan right behind him in front of me. And then of course you got me in my stock CRV, so with some highway terrain tires. Oh my God. I mean, it made it through some spots that I've tested before, so we'll see how this goes. All right, here's a little bit of video to start, basically. Something that sucks is my driver window doesn't roll down, so I've been using the back window to like get in and out. It'd be nice if I could see what I'm doing. Shit. They're probably like, what the heck is this CRV doing down here? It's stock as hell. Alright, that wasn't too bad. I should have got their face. They were smiling from ear to ear, probably like, what in the world? Because some of the spots you got to get in, this seems a little tricky. But so far, this sucker's handling it pretty well. Now I'm loving every minute of it at the moment. All right, here's a slightly tricky spot. I got to watch the oil paint on this one. All right, so the stock CRV made it out here. Pretty impressed, I guess, with it being auto. It's a little bit better, has better climbing. Made it through some super steep and sketchy spots on that. I think I might have bottomed out a little bit on the back, the diff, well, at least the subframe. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Ryan over there, Babs, of course. Had to pull Ryan up, the B series, with manual trans, lacking just a little bit of power going up. And we didn't want him destroying his clutch because that was not a fun time putting it in. But I'm thoroughly impressed with that thing. So she might be a keeper for sure. Look at him. Good job, CRVs. Fun here is over for a time being. We're gonna head on out. Probably do some night riding, but Kendra wants to go cook and get food going, so we're gonna head on out. This will be interesting. It made it out here, so it should make it back, right? these spots really don't do the trail justice in the camera. I mean, this is easy going right now, but I can't record through some of these because I got to kind of focus on it, and it's, I would say, like a two-hander. This is going to be the spot though that Ryan got stuck on, and Philip's going to go down and have to pull Ryan up a little bit, just kind of keep him from slipping back. But here we go. 1, 2, go this way. You can't see a darn thing. Nice, nice. All right, we're making our way on out of it now, just about done with the trail. Like I said, we're going to go back, fix some stuff on Ryan's CRV, but I'm super, super impressed with this thing. Like, I'm just speechless. I knew it was capable, but daggum, man, this thing is awesome. But that's his problem. We're going to have to come back here. Somebody didn't tighten some bolts up. Blame Honda, that's right.
Emotional damage.
So I got the window to go up and down. Easy trick if you can hit the switch over here. If you hear it clicking, just smack right here a couple times as you're pressing up and down on it, and it'll free it loose. So here it goes. Watch this. Oh wait, got the car turned off. All right, so it goes down now. Nice and easy. That could have helped yesterday. A little slow going up, but it's okay. Okay, so it's the next day back at the shop. I realized I didn't do closing piece, whatever, for this video. Pretty much done. I got the thing cleaned up here. I'll let you see it and step back. Yeah, I got it cleaned up. Got the door window working and everything. It was actually Ryan's idea to just beat on it because we could hear it. That was the goal, to see if I could hear it clicking behind that. So I just tapped on it a little bit and lubed it up, and now it works. And I got my door handle to kind of work. I'm in there fixing it up right now. I got it cleaned up today because I didn't want to roll around with it being all disgusting and dirty. I can't be like Philip. Just kidding, Philip. But anyway, there'll be more to come on this thing. The trip that we took out, it was just kind of a test to see how well it would hold up. And so yeah, bottom line, you can go wheeling with the stock CRV if you want. I took it through some wild stuff. Check out Honda Resource channel, Phillips. You should see the little spots I took it through. Of course, it was a little bit of a challenge, but I made it out just fine. So yeah, be sure to go check out his channel. Again, it's the Honda Resource, and just subscribe or something if you want. I'm not gonna make you, but there'll be more coming. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.